Hey everyone, welcome back to Cashflow Builders. If you're looking to make serious money while building a business that's ethical and sustainable, today's video is for you. We're diving into how you can make $2,000 a day in the gold mining industry, but with a twist. We'll be focusing on legal, eco-friendly practices that not only protect the environment but also create real opportunities for financial growth. Gold mining can be extremely profitable, but it's crucial to do it the right way. Let's talk about how you can build a gold mining business that generates serious income while adhering to legal regulations. Before you jump in, you need to understand the ins and outs of the industry. The global gold mining market is worth billions, and there are many ways to get involved. You don't need to own a large-scale mining operation to start making money. Small-scale legal mining or partnering with licensed mining companies can be lucrative if done correctly. Legal gold mining involves working with licensed mining companies or obtaining permits for small-scale mining. You can also explore opportunities to invest in mining stocks or partner with experts in the field to scale your investment. And here's the best part, you don't have to deal with the environmental risks or the shady side of illegal mining, like galamsey. Step 2 is all about investing in the right tools and technology. A common misconception is that gold mining requires massive equipment, but with today's advancements, you can use smaller, more efficient tools to start your operation. Equipment like sluice boxes, trommels, and gold panning kits can be rented or bought. These are perfect for small operations, and they don't cost millions of dollars. With the right equipment, you can start producing gold and make significant returns. Sustainability is key. There are many opportunities in the gold mining sector where you can focus on sustainable practices. For instance, mining operations that are compliant with environmental regulations are crucial for long-term success. Not only does this protect the planet, but it helps build your reputation as a responsible entrepreneur. Some companies focus on reclaiming land, reducing mercury use, and even recycling gold from old electronics. With growing demand for eco-friendly products, there's a lot of profit to be made from sustainable practices. Another step to making $2,000 a day is to build a solid network in the mining industry. Whether you're partnering with local miners, investing in gold mining projects, or connecting with environmental experts, having the right people by your side is key. Networking allows you to share knowledge, resources, and find partners who can help you grow your business faster. The mining industry is all about collaboration. Lastly, scale and diversify. Start small, learn the ropes, and as you gain experience and profit, reinvest into larger projects or even start buying into gold mines or stocks. With enough time, you could be making $2,000 a day, and even more as you scale your operations. Scaling doesn't have to mean buying massive gold mines, it could also involve diversifying into related industries like gold refining, jewelry making, or investing in mining startups. To wrap up, gold mining can be a highly profitable industry, but only if you take the right approach. By focusing on legal, ethical, and sustainable practices, you'll not only protect the environment but also open up lucrative opportunities. Whether you're a small-scale miner or an investor looking to get into the market, there's plenty of room for growth. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about sustainable business opportunities in gold mining, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and let me know what topics you'd like us to cover next.